Is your engine feeling sluggish and burning more gas than usual, or is that annoying check engine light staring you down with a specific code? If you scanned your vehicle and pulled up a P013B code, you are dealing with a slow response from your downstream oxygen sensor. This might sound technical, but stay with me because it is actually quite fascinating how this little sensor works and why it fails. Basically, this code tells us that the oxygen sensor located after your catalytic converter, specifically on bank 1, which is the side with cylinder number 1, is getting lazy. It is not switching its signal fast enough. Inside that sensor, there's a zirconium dioxide element protected by a steel housing. Think of it as a chemical generator. It compares the oxygen inside your exhaust pipe to the fresh air outside. When there's a difference in oxygen levels, oxygen ions jump between platinum layers inside the sensor, and this jumping creates a voltage. It is literally generating its own electricity based on how rich or lean your engine is running. When everything is working right, this voltage fluctuates rapidly. But when you get this code, the computer is seeing that the sensor is taking too long to react. It's like a runner who is out of breath and cannot keep up with the pace. This is considered a severe issue because your car uses this data to manage fuel economy and check if your catalytic converter is doing its job. Common culprits? The sensor itself might be worn out, or you could have a burnt wire, an exhaust leak sucking in air, or even a bad catalytic converter. To diagnose this, do not just throw parts at it. Start by clearing the code and see if it comes back. If it does, you'll want to look at the live data on a scanner. A healthy downstream sensor usually holds steady, but should fluctuate slightly if you snap the throttle. If it is stuck or moving super slow, check the wiring for burns from the exhaust. Also, grab a digital volt ohm meter, or DVOM, and check the resistance of the sensor heater circuit. A pro tip here is to be very careful with cheap aftermarket catalytic converters. I have seen so many times where a low-quality replacement cat causes this exact code because it cannot store oxygen efficiently, making the sensor look bad when it's actually fine. So check for exhaust leaks first, verify the wiring, and then look at the sensor's response before spending big money on a converter.